pay special attention, if you can, to exactly what it is that I'm talking about. But I'm just gonna give you a little bit of advice, all right? Is that okay? Girls, can I just talk to y'all for a minute? Is that all right? Because I want you to know this right here is important, so I need y'all to just pay real close attention. Because this is called If You Want the Love of a Man. Girls, if you want the love of a man. I said, if you want the love of a man. Come and get it. If you want the love of a real good man, come on and try me. I'll make you understand. Don't just look, come on and take it. Cause what I've got, you know that you can't fake it. Cause you love the man, come and get it. You love the man, you got to get with him. So you love the man, come and get it. Oh, you love the man, you got to get with him. Easy. Remember, girl, my legs are tired, but I won't stop. Now it's your turn to make a choice. Don't just sit there, girl, stand up and raise your voice. Cause you love the man, come and get it. Oh, you love the man, you got to get with him. So you love the man, come and get it. Welcome to the quit playing games, been around the bush. Oh yeah, all this love really needs is just a little bitty push. I said, you got to get on it. Oh yeah, come on now, you got to get with it. What'd you say? Pittsburgh, are we together on this one? Y'all with me on this one now? Well, if you're with me, baby, I need you to do one more thing for me. When I say if you want it, I got to hear each and every one of you say yeah. Just like this, baby, listen. If you want it,